Wishing everyone a pleasant good afternoon, respected colleagues and my dear students. I would like to begin with a few lines from W.B. Yeats' Second Coming. Turning and turning in the widening gyre, the falcon cannot bear the falconer. Things fall apart and mere anarchy is loosed upon the world. These lines talk about the moral degradation of the society these days in the human being. Even our National Education Policy 2020 also emphasizes a lot on instilling the moral values among the students in the school. Since there is a dearth, there is a shortage of morality, moral values in the present time in the society these days. It is our moral responsibilities to be the human beings of moral values, the virtues, good virtues, so that we can be the torch bearer in our surrounding, in the society, and would be the productive human being in our society in the times to come. Dear students, there is a saying in English, company matters. Company matters. It means the friends with whom we spend a lot of time with us, the friends with whom we talk too much, we spend a lot of time, we play, and all leisurely hours we usually spend with, their influence is very strong in our life. Our friends, peers, classmates, their influence is very strong in our life. There is a likeliness, the friends we are keeping, their lifestyle, their ways of living, their thoughts, their actions usually influence strongly in our life. For example, a friend of us is playing some PUBG game or free kill or some kind of free fire games. There is a likeliness, the probability is 99.9% that you also play the same video games. It is usually said that a man is known by the companies he keeps, the kind of friends we have in our daily life. They tell us what kind of people we are. You know, being the principal of the school and a guide of yours, I would like to make you aware of some of the things related to the kind of companies and the friends we should keep in our life. Never keep a friend in your life who doesn't talk about studies, who doesn't talk about education, who doesn't talk about career building. Because the friends have very, very strong influence in your life. By the way, one thing more I would like to bring to your notice, that this friendship, mostly this friendship, that doesn't have more value if you are not successful in your life, if you don't have good career in your life, if you are not in a good earning job in your life. What matters the most is your career. What matters the most is your, the job, the position, the money what you are earning in your life. The money what you earn, the position what you keep, the career what you have, that will, bring respect and reputation in your life, not your friends. Friendship doesn't have any value. Usually people spoil their life because of wrong friends. So I am not telling you not to have friends. I am telling you to choose your friends wisely. Intelligently you have to choose your friends. Got it? You see, I have all the time regarded you. All the students, by the way, not only class 10. All the students I have regarded all the time as my sons and daughters. I think you not my students, but I have all the time thought, I have always thought that you are all my sons and daughters. So having the right of thinking myself as your parent, as your father, I would like to draw your attention to some of the dark realities of the life. My dear students, the time when we are living, present time when we are living, this time is full of distractions. There are a lot of distractions in life. Distractions are not in less number. There are hundreds, thousands of distractions in each and every step of our life. You know it very well. You might have, read in history that basically life is divided into, 4 stages. The life has got how many stages? 4 stages. First stage is the childhood. Okay? Childhood, adolescence, manhood or youth, and the old age. You now don't think that you are in childhood. I am telling to class 10 students. Yeah, nursery, LKG, UKG, class 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe in childhood. Beta, you are not in childhood. That childhood phase of your life has already, finished. It has gone. You are in the adolescent period of your time, which is the most sensitive period in your life. There is a saying in English, as we sow, so shall we reap. As we act, as we do the work, so will be our future. And this quotation, this saying is completely fitting, deserving at your period of the time when you are all living. The time when you are all living, this adolescent period, that is the time when you act well, you think well, your action is good, your thought is good, your work is nice, you are really hardworking at this stage. This stage, work and action will decide how your another two